everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Fritos taco bake. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1.5 to 2 pounds of ground beef, and I am going to go ahead and crumble that and cook it and drain it. So I have that going right now. And then you need a 9 by 13 baking dish sprayed with cooking spray, and then go ahead and pour your Fritos, any kind you want. I'm just using the Kroger corn chips, but you can use Fritos. Chili cheese Fritos are good. And you'll need about an entire bag of like 9 to 10 ounces, and just pour those onto the bottom. Then you need taco seasoning, 2 cans of the cheddar cheese soup. You need the mild picante sauce, or you can get medium, but you only need 8 ounces, so we're going to use half of this. And then you need nacho taco blend cheddar cheese. And we also need a half a cup of milk, which I don't have out yet, and a cup of water. So go ahead and get started. Like I said, you could set up your Fritos in your baking dish, and you can start your meat. My beef is all ready to go. I drained it, and now I'm going to add my 1 cup of water and my taco seasoning sauce. Okay, my ground beef is simmering, so I went ahead and added in my picante sauce. Like I said, just half of it, and you want to just keep that on low until it thickens up after you mix it all in. Alright, while this sauce is thickening up, I went ahead and put in my 2 cans of cheddar cheese soup and a half a cup of milk, and we are just going to mix that all together on low until it comes together nicely. At this time, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Come back and check on your taco mix, and it is coming together nicely. It's just about done, and we're just going to pour that over top of our Frito layer. Okay, my taco layer is poured over top of my Fritos, and my cheese sauce is just about finished, and when it is finished, I'm just going to pour it evenly over top of this layer. Alright, that looks great, so next let's just go ahead and put our taco nacho blend cheese all over the top. Alright, we're going to get that into the oven for 15 minutes, or until it's bubbly. Okay, that just came out of the oven, and actually it was only in there for 10 minutes, and all my cheese is melted. And you can serve this with sour cream and some shredded lettuce if you'd like, or just how it is, or if you want to add more corn chips, however you want. But I just thought this will be a nice, easy dinner, and the kids will love it. Enjoy!